To move your paragraph closer to the margin in Word, Microsoft 365, open Microsoft 365. And then open your Word document. For example, this document. Next, select paragraph you want. For example, this paragraph. Next, click or tap increase index icon. Move your paragraph closer to the margin. If you cannot find decrease indent icon in here, maybe you want maybe you in other tab, for example, English view. Then you must go to home, click or tap home, and you can see increase indent icon. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.